guys, welcome to our channel The Foodies Freak. Today we're gonna make chicken mandi at home for very reasonable price. So let's start. For making chicken mandi, we need skinless chicken, and for marination of the chicken, we need jeera, dhania, garam masala and black pepper. Grind it into a powder and add it into a bowl. Keep little amount of masala aside for rice preparation. To the bowl, add salt, chicken masala, red chili powder, lemon juice, chaat masala, dry ginger powder, mustard oil or vegetable oil.
And take saffron, add into little water and let it into water for 10 minutes, and add little amount of saffron water into chicken marination, and later it is used into rice preparation. Pour water into the mixture and make the consistency of the masala very thick so that it could evenly mix well with the chicken. And finally, this is what the consistency of the chicken masala we need it. Keep it aside for 15 minutes.
Take skinless chicken and make small cuts in it. And poke the chicken so that the masala could go deeper in the chicken. Then apply the masala to the chicken very well and keep the chicken for marination around minimum 2 hours or whole night. After marination process, steam the chicken each side for 1 hour, or it depends on our chicken. For me it was just for half an hour for each side. And after half an hour, turn the chicken to the next side and steam, and check the chicken whether it is cooked well or what. And again steam it for same another half an hour, as I cooked for the first side. Steam both sides of the chicken in medium flame. After completion of chicken steamed about 1 hour, the water left out in the vessel is what we need to cook the rice. Now take a pan, add oil, shallow fry the steamed chicken. Do the same as I am doing. Just shallow fry the chicken. We are shallow frying the chicken just to remove the raw smell of the chicken. So this is what the texture of the chicken after shallow fry. After cooking the chicken, keep it aside. Now moving on to the next process of rice preparation. In a pan, heat oil. Add chopped onions, and fry till it gets golden brown. Then add diced green chilies and mixed with the onion, and add tej pata into it. Then add ginger garlic paste into the mixture and mix till all the ingredients are mixed well. And then add the spice powder which we kept for rice preparation and mix well. Then add chili powder as per your taste. Add salt according to your taste and mix it well. Then add the chicken stock, which means the water which was left over in the vessel after steaming the chicken. Mix the water with the mixture. Boil the water for 5 minutes in medium flame. Soak the basmati rice in the water for 15 minutes and keep aside. When water gets boiled, add soaked rice in it and cook till it's done. After adding the rice, mix the rice with the water very well. See, this is the texture of the rice in the water. Finally, mix the rice with the water. Then add saffron water which we kept for rice preparation. Place a heavy bottom base below the vessel so that the rice couldn't burn or stick into the vessel. Add ghee over the rice. Close the lid. Place the chicken pieces over the rice. Then give charcoal smoke to chicken and rice. Close the vessel and cook the rice in a low flame until it's done. Here you go, our delicious chicken mandi is ready. Garnish chicken mandi with fried nuts and mint leaves and serve hot with chutney. If you guys want to know about the recipe of mandi chutney, then check out our description box.
Hope you guys like our mandi recipe. Please